If you are trying to regrow your hair or improve the hair you have, then you want to try out some of these natural remedies, which is a proven benefit that can help stimulate growth, enhance the hair that you have. If you're experiencing dry, rough, split ends, take it long to grow your hair past a certain length, then join us over here at Natural Growth Secret. Subscribe to this channel, and I welcome you all, my old and new subscribers. On today's video, I will share with you guys this amazing hair growth oil, which will smooth your hair, give your hair shine, and also it will help to maintain split ends, rough, dry hair. You want to have that shiny look and a healthy hair. This oil is for you. Anyone can use this oil, whether your kids, your husband, a man, woman, anyone. Is very versatile, guys. This oil is amazing. So guys, let me show you how to make this wonderful natural hair growth oil using some of the best ingredients, guys. So the first oil I'll be making use of is, of course, my mustard oil. You can use any base oil of your choice, like olive oil. I will actually be using olive oil, which will give that smooth and shyness, because on my last oil that I made, my last previous oil, I will link it in the description box. That oil has an amazing benefit which will not leave a greasy feel. It will not give you much shine, but it will penetrate and treat your scalp to promote good, healthy, longer hair. But this one will penetrate a little bit and give you shyness. Your hair will not be looking dull. It will not also feel greasy, but it will give you enough shine in case you want to make a protective style. You want to use it for twist that, braid that. You want to see that shine, because our natural hair tends to be very dull, especially if you have kinky, coily, any type of hair that wants shyness. You want shyness in general. This hair oil is for you. Your hair will not feel dull at all. So I'm going to be using mustard oil and coconut oil. I love mustard oil because it is not a very greasy oil, and it's a treatment oil that will penetrate into your scalp, and it has inflammatory properties and antibacterial properties, because our scalp tends to accumulate dirt, tends to accumulate some microbial growth. So this oil is perfect. You can choose any oil of your choice, like almond oil, grapeseed oil, or any other oil of your choice that you know that it is good for the hair and the scalp. We all know olive oil and coconut oil has been used again and again by so many people. It is proven and tested. It is known to grow hair, penetrate your hair, give you healthiness, and give you healthy hair and shyness. So guys, I am going to be mixing up mustard oil, coconut oil, and of course my olive oil. I will be leaving the measurement on the screen, and also check the description box at for the full ingredients and measurements, because I have a specific measurement that I am going to follow. So guys, this is what the oil looks like. It looks beautiful already. The combination is amazing. Guys, can you see how it looks? I love the color. I love the combination. You can add any other oil of your choice to it. So guys, this is what our oil is looking. I will then go ahead to pour it into our pan over here, because I am going to be doing a hot method to infuse my herbs. Yes, I'm going to be adding in herbs. You can use the oil like so, but when you add in other herbs, like other little ingredients, it is going to enhance the effectiveness of your oil. So guys, the first herb I am going to be adding is moringa powder. Guys, moringa powder is very rich in vitamin C. It has antioxidants. It is a very rich source of biotin. Moringa prevents hair loss, guys. It enhances hair thickness, and I love moringa because it has iron also, and is a very essential oil for hair growth. So the next ingredient I'll be making use of is my fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds helps treat condition that leads to dry hair, that leads to dandruff, that leads to itchiness and flaky scalp. We are going to be using this oil on both our scalp and on our hair. We are going to be using this oil for braid art, for everything, especially the ends of my hair, because I am on a ends care hair growth challenge, especially caring for my hands in order for me to retain length. So guys, this oil is absolutely amazing. Fenugreek seed is amazing. So I went ahead to add in my peppermint leaves. Peppermint leaves increases blood circulation. Anything that increases blood circulation, your hair will grow. I also added in my oregano leaves. I'm going to be leaving the name right here on the screen. So oregano is an amazing, wonderful herb. It has antimicrobial properties, help to treat scalp infections, anything that help to treat scalp, that boosts blood flow, that enhance blood, hair and hair growth. That herb is for me, especially oregano. Oregano also help with hair loss, alopecia, baldness, and everything in general. It helps to increase the betterness and healthiness of your hair. So right now I am doing the hot method by putting it on a pan and letting it infuse. You can use the double boiler method. So I'm going to infuse this for just a little minutes, okay? About, let's just say 10 minutes, because I will put it in a very low heat. After infusion, depending on the heat of your gas or your stove, if it is too high, make sure you are putting it in a very low heat. Put it in a very low heat. You're going to see the benefits of the oil. As you can see, it is not smelling. The herbs is still looking good inside, just that the color has changed because of the infusion. And make sure, because I've been doing this type of method for a very long time, since I have natural hair, almost 2 years plus now, and I know how to make this hot process method. So if you know that you will not be looking at it, like you won't pay attention, just do the double boiler method or do the 2 weeks method by leaving it in a jar and let it infuse in a cool place, and then you strain it. So as you can see, this is what my method is looking like. As you can see, it is not burnt at all. It is infused very well. So I'm going to be using this filter to extract and separate the oil from the herbs, so you don't want the particles to go into your oil. So guys, this is what I will be doing. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge like, leave us a comment down below, and watch the video to the end. I have a special package at the end of this video. Alright guys, our hair growth oil is ready. This oil will help to treat split ends, dry ends, your tip, your roots, and give you that shine and reduce dullness. This is what our oil is looking like. And then I will add in my vitamin E oil and my essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice. If you don't have essential oil, go ahead to add in vitamin E oil alone. So guys, if you have essential oil, use any one of your choice. You can also use oregano essential oil, which help with hair loss. You can use peppermint essential oil. You can use lavender essential oil, and also thyme essential oil. This essential oil that I am mentioning are very good for hair loss, alopecia. You want to grow out your hair and maintain the healthiness of your hair. You can use any one of these essential oil or anyone that your hair loves. So guys, this is how the oil feels. It will give you that shine. It will not feel too greasy, but it will give you that shine and smoothness. Okay, so guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. So right now I will go ahead to package my oil in this container. You can use any container or hair serum bottle of your choice to package your oil. Your oil is ready and good to go. That oil that we have just made, this oil will last up to 6 months for you. So guys, I am going to be treating my clients and my neighbor's daughter hair actually, and I have introduced her to this channel about 6 months ago. 6 months ago, I featured her on this channel. Her hair was so small then. Like, I don't know if I should see a clip of, I think it was April. So this is the clip of her hair. Like, there was no front. The front was like balded. Like, her hair was both at the front, no hair, at the back, no hair. So at the time I featured her, which is April, I've already started treating her hair with our hair sprays, our hair oil, and our hair cream butter. This is the treatment that she has been using. I also make some protective style for her, and this protective style that I am going to remake is actually a week old, and she wants to still keep this hairstyle for more days, like 4 days more. So I just decided to, why not spray it and refresh our hair instead of leaving it to dry and wait till a wash day. That is a no. So you have to, either you revive the hair back or just spray in whichever protective style. Don't care about any protective style, whether it lasts or not. That is a mistake some mothers make, or we make to our hair. Don't wait till the next wash day to re-moisturize your baby's hair or your own hair. Go ahead to we moisturize when it is dry. Okay, so I went ahead to redo the protective style. I spray in my hair growth spray treatments, which I will be uploading the video soon, so turn on the bell notification. So guys, I went ahead to revive our hair with a spray, hydrate our hair actually with the spray, and then I go in with the oil. I moisturize our hair. Our hair is now very soft. There is no much tension. As you can, when I started treating her hair, there were no edges at all. As you can see, the front of her hair, whenever I am making a protective style, or whenever anybody is making our protective style, I tell them not to touch the edges. They should leave the edges alone to breathe. Okay, simple protective style, no too much tightness at all. So make sure to massage your hair. If you are watching this video, you can massage your hair and hydrate your hair like so. So don't wait for the hair to be extremely dry, or wait till your wash day. That way you are leaving growth behind. Your hair will not, you will not see that length. So moisturize your hair as often as you can, hydrate your hair as often as you can. Hello my friends and family, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate, for liking, for supporting me by watching. I really appreciate. For those of you that want to support me with a little token, you want to support my video so that it will motivate me to buy 1 or 2 ingredients, you want to support me with a little token. With this video, you can see how I will show you guys how to support me. So guys, you can see that like button over there. Just scroll down, you are going to see thanks. Just click on that thanks button. It is going to pop up this thanks super. This is just like a little token for you to support this channel.